Oh shit, no, the controls. Oh no, the controls. Oh shit, no. God damn, how many of you are there? Oh shit. Oh no.
Cause I'm not superhuman. Cause I'm not superhuman.
Run, Billy. Run, Billy. Damn it, Billy, why didn't you... This is the same shit as the last fucking episode. Billy, whatever you do, just run, man. They're gonna piss all over you. Just don't listen to them, man. Oh, see, these controls suck, dude. I'm
almost there.
I'm glad I could be of service. Time to go inside.
Oh, that's like some 50 Shades of Grey shit. Rebecca, something tells me that I'm gonna die. Oh my god. I gotta fight monkeys? But I don't want to fight monkeys.
Oh, I can't. Hold on.
Oh no, Rebecca. We gotta save the day. Okay, we don't have to... No, the monkey! Oh shit, the freaking monkey. I gotta run by the tarantulas and I gotta run by the monkeys. Nothing new to me, man. Oh my god, he's... Ew. Oh, I've been poisoned. Oh, shiz, man. No! He's been poisoned, goddamn you. The monkeys are everywhere, dude. Oh, you want... Goddamn monkey? You wanna go, dude? I got killed by freaking monkeys? I freaking knew it, the goddamn monkey. There's so many goddamn monkeys. Oh, I'm about to freaking die. I freaking died? Ooh, he almost... Ooh, that's right, screw you monkeys, man. I'm going home.
Rebecca! Hang on. I'll pull you up.
Thank you.
Don't mention it. Just keeping my word.
No, sir. I have not found him yet. I'll continue to search for him. Over. My first mission, and I've already disobeyed orders. So much for my great law enforcement career. Oh well, I probably won't live long enough to worry about it. Billy, I just need to know. I need to know the truth. Did you kill 23 people?
It was around this time last year. Our unit was ordered to Africa to intervene in a civil war. Some died from the heat. Others were killed by the enemy. In the end, only 4 of us survived.
Kill them all!
Please, sir! Ceasefire immediately!
Shut up! Do it!
You don't get it. I've only got 2 choices left. Either report to the Marines and serve out my sentence, or keep on running for as long as I can. That's all.
Alright, see you guys here next time. Bye.